Hello friends, welcome to Kiko's Language School. Before we start today's lesson, please click the subscribe button and join us. In an introduction video, we learned what Katakana writing system is. I have put the link to that video in the description box below. If you still haven't watched it, you can take 3 minutes to watch it to get an idea about the writing systems in Japanese language. And if you haven't subscribed to Kiko's Language School, click the subscribe button and join us. Thank you. Let's begin the video. Ganbarimashou. First, let's learn how to write today's letters. I have shown you the stroke order. You can pause the video and write them down step by step. Now, let's learn some words we can write and read using these letters. Note, notebook. Piano, piano. Hotel, hotel. Knife, knife. Necktie, necktie. Well done everybody. We finished our third lesson in Katakana writing system. Hope you learned something new. This is part 3 of this series and I invite you to watch the full series from the links in the description box below. Stay motivated. Learning something new can make it hard to keep it up, but never give up. Nothing is impossible. 夢を成功するために頑張って勉強しましょう。見てくれてありがとうございました。サブスクライブしてライクしてくださいね。